Here is a very frozen up Rheem classic heat pump running in heat mode. And as you can see, it is very, very frozen. And it's about ready for a defrost. It's a Rheem classic. It's very, very, extremely frozen. It's very frozen heat pump. But around here, there's the line. It's hot. And in here, there's the there's the compressor and stuff. There's the compressor. I think it's a scroll compressor. There's the reversing valve and stuff. And that was the Rheem Classic. And there might be some more around here. Let me just look. No. There's a window air conditioner up there, though. There you go. I guess there was a Rheem Classic heat pump, and it's extremely frozen up. I hope the defrost board isn't bad, but there you go. Peace out.